Hi, on this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically turn chats into leads from SalesIQ to Zoho CRM. So first things first, we need to go to settings. Then under developers, select the integrations. Take that. Then look for the Zoho CRM. See? So you can see mine is already active, but if yours not, just click this. Then there's a button right here for enable. Just click on that. Then here we can configure our so once you click on the enable, there will be a pop-up right here. It says that your integration has been enabled or inactive. Then here we can set up our configuration. So here we are adding new visitors to either leads or contacts, like that. Then we can choose the type of visitors to be added to the CRM. It can be missed, attended, or accessed. They can be, let's say, if we want only attended, or we can have all of them. Then here we can select the layout in our leads module. If I have multiple layouts, we should be able to select here, but since in my CRM there's only one layout, this is the standard. Then here we can do the mapping of fields from SalesIQ to Zoho CRM. So as you can see, some of these are already pre-mapped, but we can reselect the fields here. Also, there's an option here to override the data. So if there's an already existing fields in the CRM, you can just click check this to override the data. See that? Then you just need to go back. Then here on our sales IQ configuration, we can configure the layout from our sales IQ. Then drag the CRM fields to the here. You just need to, so if you want to add the email right here, just drag and drop. Then select this option right here, track in CRM. There's an option right there, keep as chats, but there's also the track in CRM. Select that one. Then that's it. Now you're done. You're done configuring your Zoho CRM integration in SalesIQ. Then let's see that in action. So let's go back to our live view. I have here a person, so let's try chatting on our SalesIQ. Let's give it a couple of minutes. If we go to the chats, you should see there is a one customer that's been chatting with the bot, but let's focus on my chat as an agent. So let's wait for that chat to be transferred to me. So there, the chat was transferred to me. Then, as you can see, this is currently the customer's message and then the bot. Then, as an agent, I can now send a response to the customer. So click send, and then as the customer continues to interact with the agent, and so on. So if you see here in this section right here, under here on our integrations, you can see in the Zoho CRM part, you have the lead info. So let's see right here. So if we click on this to view the info in Zoho CRM, you can see here. Here you see the email, and then the lead name, and then the chat. So if you see, we have successfully auto create the chat into a Zoho CRM lead. So yeah, so that's it. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to configure your SalesIQ. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow agents to convert chats into tickets in SalesIQ to Zoho Desk. So first is what you want to do is to enable the integration. You need to go to settings, then under developers click the integrations, click the Zoho Desk integration, and click on enable. Then once you enable that, select the desk configuration. Here you need to select the type of chats in SalesIQ to be converted as a Zoho Desk ticket. If you want all chats, operator or bot attended chats or missed chats, then you can select when to convert as a ticket. It can be while attending chat or while at the ending the chat. Then you can predefine the ticket status to open or closed. Then you go back, then you can select the department mapping. Here, if you have multiple departments, you can select them here. Then in the SalesIQ configuration, what you can do is select the desk layouts that to show in SalesIQ. So by default you have the subject, status, and department. But if you want to add the phone number, you just click and drag like so. Then once you're done, you just need to go back. Or so notice that you see it's already here. So your changes will automatically save. So now that we're done with our setting up our Zoho Desk integration, we just need to close this. Let's go back to the live view. Then let's try chatting to our SalesIQ. Let me just give it a couple seconds. See, we don't have one here. As you can see, we have one customer that the bot is currently interacting with. Then once this chat is transferred to me, there it's to me. So if I was the agent, I can view the chats here under my chats. Then here we can do the basic process, our business process here. That then now we want to turn this into a ticket. So what we're gonna do is here, if you can see in our fields here in this panel, in this page, this section right here, we have here the Zoho CRM, the Zoho Desk, and the campaign. If you just need to expand this here, so you can see a ticket was automatically created in Zoho Desk. So if we open this up, also by the way, if there is no email address from here, you can see there's an email address, but if there's no email address here from the visitor info, the ticket will not be automatically created, because in Zoho Desk the ticket is a required field. So yeah, that the ticket will not be created. So if you see here, our conversation from the chat has been transferred here into Zoho Desk. And in case there's an update on the chat, so let's say since the ticket was already created and then the chat is still continuing, would this update the ticket? So that's the question. Would this update the already existing ticket right here? Since the last interaction here was here in this part with the order number in this part, and then if we send this and then customer send a reply, here let's check on our ticket. Let's see what's happened here. So if you can see here, it's still the same, but if we refresh this, let's refresh this, okay, the conversation has been updated. So if the chat is still ongoing and the ticket has already been created, the chat transcript would update, the ticket will be updated. Yeah, the ticket's transcript will be updated. So yeah, so that's how you automatically create the ticket in Zoho Desk using the native integration of SalesIQ. So yeah, thank you. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.